Welcome to the weird part of YouTube, where we use white beans to make truffles. Thing is, I did hear of the brownies, and I did make them, and they taste amazing, so let me know if you want to see those as well, but the truffles were not made as much, so here we go!
Well, first off, you need to cook your beans and then blend them either in a kitchen machine or blender. Then prep your eggs, sugar, and salt and whisk them all together until you get a fluffy texture. I did it by hand because I was too lazy to get the machine out. Yeah, don't question my logic behind that. Then add the room temperature butter, nuts and a bit of baking powder into the mix and give it enough of a stir to get it all incorporated. Butter in this kind of mixture just loves to curdle everything, but it won't matter here, trust me. Pour it into your pan of choice and bake it.
Those marks, I did those. I was really curious how this was looking. And now it's time to let it cool off a bit.
Okay. Hot, hot. Despite it being very hot, I couldn't help myself and tried to knead it. And let's just say that I just made a mess, which at least helped cool it off faster. At least a bit.
1 hour later.
Now that it is cooled off completely, I can go in for real. I knead it for so long that I can start forming balls, and well, that's what I end up doing. I let those balls rest in the fridge for a bit and then I start decorating with chocolate. And I love to try out different ways and ratios of chocolate. First I try to be all artsy with the brush and just brush the top. Then I dunked it all in and boy, they got heavy in taste, but it was worth it. And finally I just sprinkled them all over. The thin stripes make for a good look and give enough chocolate to make it interesting. And the results speak for themselves.
I really wish I could share these with you, but well, there's a camera in between us, so Thing is, they don't taste like beans at all. They have like a vanilla-ish nut truffle kind of feel and you really need to try it out to get what I mean. Apart from that, let me know if you have other weird recipes like that. I love them and they surprise me each and every time. Really. I have a Patreon now, so that's a thing. Apart from that, subscribing, commenting and liking in whatever order you want to do that helps a lot to make this channel grow. And yeah, I can only thank you for watching till the end. Have a delicious weekend and see you whenever.